This segment is brought to you by Snap Fit Collectibles. Fuel your passion.
Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gunpla Show. And today we will have a full review of the bootleg Gao Gao HG 1:144 ZGMF-X20A Strike Freedom Gundam from the Mobile Suit Gundam Seed Destiny. It is a custom coordinator use assault mobile suit, and it is also developed from the ZGMF-X10A Freedom Gundam, which is both piloted by Kira Yamato. Now let's go and take a look on what will this kit will offer to us. Let's go! Woo! So, here we go. Expect the unexpected because it is a bootleg. On my experience on this build, this kit is much more better than the old Gao Gao or Titi Hongli kits. But still, it has some crap moldings. There are so many molding marks everywhere on these parts. Dark parts also tends to develop stress marks. Stickers were still very crappy. I almost used all of it, but the yellow stickers on the backpack are the only stickers that I did not use, for it is not very nice when it is applied. Yellow V-fins were very soft. Be careful on moving that part. Too much force will potentially break that piece. Parts were very thick also. That tends to make gaps and obvious seam lines. Articulations also is not so that quite good. Joints were not so strong, flimsy on other parts. Backpack wings falls when just a little bit of movement. You also need to cut some little parts on the connections of the beam shield in order for it to fit in. Beam saber handles on the side skirts tends to fall off occasionally. And to add to its backpack, it is quite heavy and hinders some dynamic poses. On the positive side, this kit has so many panel line opportunities. If you apply the panel line marks on those areas, it will really enhance the outcome of this unit. And if you plan on painting this kit to be anime accurate, don't worry, it is very easy to execute that plan because those parts that needs painting are on the easy sides that can be reached by paintbrush or even your airbrush. But even without painting, this kit has its vibrant colors already. So all in all, this kit is both on the love and hate situation. Love it for its very cheap price, and we know it because this is a bootleg. But hate it for some of its details that it's very obvious because it is a bootleg. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like these kinds of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so that you'll be informed for our next videos. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the review and the full review of our HG 1:144 ZGMF-X20A Strike Freedom Gundam by Gao Gao. And this video is brought to you by Snapfit Collectibles. Fuel your passion. Thank you so much, Snapfit Collectibles, for this sponsored video. So that's for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy again and again. And thank you so much for the continuous support on this channel. Thank you. That's it. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off. And Compliment Show signing off. That's it. Thank you. And goodbye. Peace out. Bye. Woo! So, if you reached this part of my video, please comment down there below. Hashtag Jake the Gunpla Reviewer. And get the chance to be shout out on our next video. Okay, that's it. Thank you and peace out.